Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to AirPlay on your iPhone running iOS 18. So let's get started. First, we need to make sure AirPlay is turned on. Here's how. Open the settings on your phone, go to the general option from here, then select AirPlay and continuity. You can see from here, tap on it. Tap on automatic AirPlay and choose either automatic to ask. Avoid selecting never as this will disable AirPlay. For AirPlay to work, both your iPhone and the receiving device like a TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network. If they're on different networks, AirPlay won't work. So double check this setting. Now let's AirPlay a video. Open the video you want to play, pause the video, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center, tap the AirPlay icon in the top right corner. A list of available devices will appear. Select your TV or other AirPlay enabled devices. Okay, then your TV will display a random AirPlay passcode. Enter this passcode on your iPhone, tap play, and your video will now stream to your TV. And that's it, you've successfully AirPlayed from your iPhone to another devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.